Hi guys, welcome to another episode for the Trade Ideas video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some opportunities that I'm personally looking at. Right, number one will be on the New Zealand Canadian on the chart that you can see over here. Right now, this is the 4-hour time frame chart that you can see over here. Right, what I'm seeing is this price has fallen 5 wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And has recently completed this 5-wave move to the downside somewhere mid-May, and since then price has been moving in a corrective manner towards the upside. Alright, and over here what I've actually analyzed is that this move here seems to have completed a potential, maybe a leading diagonal of 5-wave up, which brings me to the point where I expect price to move lower from here, okay, potentially towards the 89.72 to 89.28 region before maybe another bounce higher from there onwards. Right, which means that this week our opportunity lies in a potential short on the New Zealand Canadian. Right, this is actually much clearer if I bring you to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, we can see in this move up since mid-May, right? It's a pretty clear 5-wave structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then with wave 5 as an ending diagonal. Okay, we see that the divergence indicator is showing us, the RSI indicator is showing us a very clear divergence as well. Since price is moving higher, the RSI is actually losing momentum. Right, when we see such pattern, the higher probability for price to move in terms of direction, it's the downside. Okay, how far it can go, usually we just use a simple fib of measurement, somewhere between the 50 to 61.8 region. Okay, so this is a potential short opportunity, looking at a breakout trade with our first target around the 89.75, right, and of course with stops above the previous high, or we can do it slightly more aggressive, okay, somewhere at the most recent high point, and that gives you a very decent risk reward of at least 1:2, or if you put it at a very conservative stop target, it gives you around 1:3. Right, but having said that, you need to have a proper plan to trade it. Right, I'll be monitoring the New Zealand CAD very closely for this particular week. Okay, another one that I want to share with you is a potential trade on the dollar yen. Right, bringing you back to the 4-hour first. It's slightly to in terms of the opposite of what you saw on New Zealand Canadian. Okay, over here we see price completed a 5-way structure to the upside, right? And since then, around late May, 21st of May, price made a first move down, right? Which I expect this to be our first A wave, right? And then from there it moves higher correctively, completing a potential wave B, right? And right now I will be expecting another move to complete our ABC structure towards the 107 or 106.21 area. Alright, right now if you go to lower time frame on the 1 hour, okay, we might see a nice short opportunity should price break below this structure. Okay, or you might be more conservative. Alright, because this can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from there price made another move lower. Alright, so there are two possibilities. On this one, you catch it at the top over here with some fib guidance. Right, allow me to pull some numbers in to guide you as well. Potentially around, okay, the 110.5354 area. Can look for a potential short, or if you are a breakout trader, right, look to trade it when price break below the trendline structure. Okay, and your target would then of course be based on 4-hour, which we mentioned, right, the 107 or 106.2. Alright, so this is another pair that I'll be monitoring closely for this week. Alright, and if you look into the risk event calendar, we do have the FOMC coming in on Thursday. Right. On top of this, I would also like to highlight there is an opportunity for the stock market. Okay, mainly the company JNJ, Johnson & Johnson. You can see this as a potential trading opportunity or even an investment opportunity, right? Because if you look into the fundamentals of J&J, it's one of the companies that you don't mind holding on in terms of the approach of value investing, right? But having said that, there is an opportunity for accumulation as a value investor or even as a trader. Okay, either you trade the CFDs of J&J or even through option. This might give you a very nice opportunity right now, right? Because what I'm seeing over here is that price has completed a three wave structure, 1, 2, 3, right? With the third wave being a diagonal. You can see over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a diagonal wedge structure, and price has recently just broke above this trend line. Okay, now this is not the best confirmation you want, right? So ideally you want price to correct a little bit from here and make another impulse move to the upside. Right, so for traders who are aggressive, okay, you can catch maybe the 50% to 61.8 retracement, okay, when price comes down. For the more conservative traders, you might want to wait for the breakout over here. Okay, in any instance, right, your final target that if you are a trader, right, can potentially look at 133.43 or 136.93. Of course, if you are a value investor, that's a different case, which means that you'll be holding it for a longer term period. Okay, and of course, if you're looking at the bigger picture, J&J is no doubt on an uptrend. Okay, so you can see that price has been moving higher high and higher lows, and recently with this correction, right, we might push another move to the upside. Okay, now as a value investor, you definitely need to look into how you want to position your capital in. Okay, so that is not in the scope of this video, right? So you make sure you have a proper way of doing that. Okay, if you're trading options, make sure you are aware of what you need to take note of in the options market. Okay, it's not so clear-cut as to trading the CFDs, right? Of course, if you are trading CFDs, it's very simple. You look for entry, look for exit, and protect your trade. That's it. Right. So these are the 3 trading opportunities that I'll be monitoring for this week. Okay, if you have any other questions or pairs you would like me to share, feel free to drop them. You know, whatever you want us to help you monitor or even give you an insight into, just drop the symbol that you want in the comment section below. If not, right, do share this video with your traders friend. We definitely feel that such videos might benefit them, giving them a different insight into the market as well. Other than that, always manage your plan, alright, as well as your risks, and we'll talk to you once you spot another good trading opportunities.